Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's late Sunday evening and we are plumb whooped. So the last thing we got to do today is grill some steaks. And that's what we're having for supper tonight.
Easy. Pepper, stop. That's mean.
I do it every time.
I know, but I can't stand it.
I'm tired. Are you tired? Are you going to sit out here and play on your phone?
Mm-hmm.
Or are you going to sit out here and pay your wonderful, loving, awesome, sexy husband some attention? That is not. Close that.
I'm shopping.
You're always shopping. That's why we ain't got no money.
We have. I'm taking a nap.
You already took a nap.
I didn't go to sleep.
Yes, you did. You were snoring almost.
Mm-mm.
Oh, my back hurts. I think I need a bigger tractor. What do you think?
Mm-mm. I think we need to pull the boat out and wash it so we can go to the lake next weekend.
I ain't doing it today. I'm done. All I'm gonna do this weekend.
Are you gonna do it next week in the dark?
You can.
Mm-mm.
You wash it and I'll video it.
No.
You know what I hadn't seen?
Mm-hmm.
Hummingbird.
I hadn't either. I was talking to Mama about that the other day. She hadn't seen one either. I hear a woodpecker.
I bet he got a sore head. You reckon?
Mm. You know, robbing our bird nest?
What's been the most surprising thing about YouTube to you?
You really want me to answer that honestly?
Yeah.
How it's got you to do honey-do chores around the house?
Well, I'm fixing to quit doing those.
No.
What's been the hardest thing about YouTube?
Video in the way you wanted it videoed.
Well, you don't do it right.
That's what I think the hardest.
What's been the most surprising thing about doing YouTube videos?
No, I don't feel like thinking.
You know what's been the most surprising to me? Is that there are 87 people on YouTube that subscribe to my channel. And almost, according to my analytics, most of them watch my videos. That's weird to me. That anybody would want to watch what I do. There's your little bird.
Right, that's why I don't have hummingbirds, because he's on my hummingbird feeder.
Mm-mm.
Is that the mama bird of the eggs?
Mm-hmm.
Thursday?
It's a cow sale.
Well, actually, I'm off Thursday. I have an eye appointment with Abigail and a dentist appointment for me at 11. Got that all over front of his.
Why don't you take that thing off of him and let him...
Come here. Come here. Now go play. Stop. I'm just gonna go sit in the rocking chair. We need to remember to put that grill in the back of your truck and take it next time we go to the lake.
Okay.
So we'll have something to grill on at the camper. We need a grill brush.
You don't have to brush it.
Yes, you do. Gross.
Brush all the flavor off.
See, I need to order that while I'm thinking about it. Do we have a fire starter up there?
I think so. Yes.
Okay. I mean a chimney thing.
Yeah, or you have to use lighter fluid.
Ew, no, I don't want to use lighter fluid. Or Max Light charcoal.
It's got lighter fluid in it.
What are them things called? What are those things called?
I don't know. Charcoal starter. Just look at grills and then see what's associated with it. Get the bigger one. Oh, go back. Go back. Pull up. One more time. Right there. That one's got the heat shield on it where I don't burn my hands.
That one has to ship though. That one does too, and it's cheaper. You don't have one in the store. Do you want me to order that?
Yeah, I need some grilling utensils. Some new ones here for the house. I'm going to take the ones from here to the lake. Give me some good ones though. Oh, cheap ones. That's all you're going to find at Walmart.
I'm fixing to do it. I'll see how much that is. How do I know how? It don't say how big it is. But there's that same thing, but I don't know how big it is.
Is it cheaper?
Yeah, it's half the price.
Alright, well that's fine.
What if it's not big?
It'll be, yeah.
Large capacity.
Yeah.
It'll be here till Friday.
Well, it's supposed to be cold next week and raining anyway.
What about them three right there? That's all you basically need, isn't it?
What are those?
There's tongs, a spatula, and a fork. There's just tongs and a spatula. That's Weber. Oh, okay, look at this. I found this too. Look at that for a fan for the wall. Here, hold it and look at it. You get to pick this one. They're like items. It's this one. 17D, 17W, and 17 high. So it's 17 by 17 and 7 deep, right? The 7. That's a good size. Is that a good size?
Mm-hmm.
And we order one.
Yeah, we would give her a shot.
And then we get two, one for our room and one for her room.
I reckon.
I'm getting the one with the remote. Should I get the one with the remote or without the remote?
Or you get three and put one in the middle.
Jeez, $224.
Holy crap.
Well, for 3 of those, 1 of those, and 1 of those. Oh, that I can take off. Save for later. $174.
Jeff Bezos should issue me stock in Amazon for the amount of money that we spend there.
Look there, I got $20 off because I have points. I'm buying so much.
Fresh deer sausage. Look what a steak, you two. We eating good tonight. YouTube, I better sit close to the pan. We got too many dogs running around. We got Meanie. We got Cooper the Super Pooper. And we got the sheriff, Buddy. I've had him for about 12 to 14 years. I don't know exactly how old he is. But that is the best dog I've ever had in my life. I'm gonna miss him when he's gone. And you, ma'am, are the most aggravating because you run off. You can go lay down. It's not ready yet. You two, we eating good in the neighborhood tonight. That steak looks good. I hope it's tender.
Stop.
What?
Stop.
Stop what?
You're going to make me jump again.
No, you don't jump anymore. After about the third time, it don't work as much.
Stop.
Buddy, go hassle somewhere else. You want to go in and lay down in the cool?
No, let him. He's fine. Leave him out here.
Come on.
Because he'll just stand there and drool. He don't want to, look. Not unless you go in. He's not going to go if you don't go.
He don't make all the steps I make.
He does, too. Did you see Nene yesterday when I was cutting grass? She was making the rounds around the house with me.
Running?
Following me, yeah.
You know what that's going to happen when them birds hatch, right? You don't have to sit here and listen to them.
Mm.
Steak's done. My steak is done.
We'll take it up.
You ready for me to start working on your chicken coop?
No, let's get cows first. Where are you going to put it?
In the yard, right there. On that trailer over there.
On the other side of the barn.
Mm-hmm. So I can move it around wherever I want.
That's going to be a little one.
How many chickens you want?
How many we need?
Just for me and you? Not many.
3?
6 maybe?
Yeah, you start it.
I got to go buy some lumber. Unless your employer has some scraps they want to donate. What you think about it, Super Pooper?
Yeah, that's good. Take mine up last. Take mine up last.
Well, I got to put mine over the fire and singe it. What about your sausage?
I don't think so.
You want them a little crispy?
Yep, but you said it was done.
I don't know about the sausage.